Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru Ascent versus the Mazda CX-90. We'll dive into their core differences, examining everything from engine performance and handling to interior comfort and advanced technology. Our goal is to help you determine which of these impressive three-row SUVs best fits your lifestyle and needs, providing a clear overview of each vehicle's strengths. The Subaru Ascent comes standard with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 260 horsepower and 277 pound-feet of torque, paired with symmetrical all-wheel drive. The Mazda CX-90 offers a more powerful 3.3-liter inline six-cylinder engine, producing up to 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, with rear-biased all-wheel drive. Both vehicles offer a smooth ride and responsive handling for daily driving. Inside, the Ascent provides generous passenger and cargo space, with up to 87 cubic feet of storage when seats are folded. The CX-90, on the other hand, presents a more upscale interior with higher quality materials and a refined aesthetic. Both SUVs feature modern infotainment systems, offering large touchscreens and essential connectivity options, alongside comprehensive safety suites for peace of mind. When considering value, the Subaru Ascent typically has a lower starting price, often around $35,000, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The Mazda CX-90, while starting closer to $40,000, justifies its cost with a more luxurious feel and powerful engine options. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities, space and value versus premium features and performance. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.